The new large-scale new energy MPV GL8 Lu Shang has attracted great attention since its launch. With its superior real strength and high-value performance, it has quickly become a favorite of consumers. According to user data, GL8 Lu Shang is very popular among families with children, accounting for more than 90% of users, and about 70% of them are used for family travel. In order to verify its excellent safety performance, Buick recently cooperated with the China Automotive Research Institute to conduct the toughest three-row chain crash test in its history. The Super Crush crash test in this competition is the most brutal among similar tests conducted on MPVs. The high impact intensity, severe damage to the vehicle and harsh conditions of the chain crash test have reached unprecedented levels. The high-speed rear-end collision between three rows of vehicles is performed in a fully loaded state, and the side collision between the second and third rows of vehicles is combined to simulate the most complex and dangerous situations that can be encountered in real driving to the fullest extent possible. In the three-row high-speed sheer rear-end collision segment, the American standard FMVSS 301 barrier is used to simulate the collision that occurs in the event of a high-speed rear-end collision of a fully loaded vehicle at 80 km per hour, with an overlap ratio of 70% and a deviation angle of 10 degrees. Focusing on testing the safety advantages of the GL8 Lu Shang body structure and the three-row rear end. In the overlapping second and third row side collisions, a 1,900 kg US IIHS 2.0 side impact barrier is used, which hits the fuel tank at 80 km per hour. The impact energy is far above the US standard and the current national standard. This test tests the integrity of important parts such as the sliding door and battery pack after the secondary impact, and how the side airbags protect the three-row occupants. GL8 Lu Shang always adheres to the principles in safety design, and resolutely does not use 3 rows of sunken seats to ensure real safety for 7 seats. The arc-shaped rear collision protection beam ensures damage-free operation at low speeds and energy absorption at high speeds. The seat frame with high structural strength and the strong tolerance adjustment mechanism ensure that the seats can be used normally after a collision. The 4 fuselage cross beams located under the second and third row seats remain intact during the collision, providing survival space for the passengers. In terms of cabin protection, GL8 Lu Shang is like a Lu Shang tank. It is equipped with 10 horizontal and 6 vertical chassis frames, a large amount of ultra-high-strength steel, a multi-layer submarine-grade ultra-high-strength steel cage body, and an ultra-wide subframe that can efficiently transmit force and resist impact. The oil-electricity separation scheme complies with the Autonon standard to eliminate the risk of fire and oil leakage. The Auton Energy platform develops and tests high-standard batteries and adds special operating condition tests to ensure battery safety. Efficient wiring and pipeline integration prevents safety hazards caused by high-voltage lines entering the cockpit. GL8 Lu Shang also performs well in terms of personnel protection and safety. Standard double-sided air curtains are available, which are rapidly opened in 20 milliseconds, closed with high voltage in 5 seconds, and kept closed for 15 seconds before the doors are automatically opened after the collision. OnStar is connected in 30 seconds and the blower is turned off to ensure respiratory safety, and all-around protection is provided for escape in 30 seconds.